Is your automatic transmission shifting hard, acting erratic, or feeling like it is slipping between gears? You might have a P0793 trouble code stored in your vehicle's computer. This code translates to intermediate shaft speed sensor, a circuit no signal. To understand why this matters, you have to understand how your automatic transmission thinks. Inside the transmission, there are multiple shafts spinning at different speeds. The intermediate shaft helps transfer power from your engine to the wheels. The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, uses a sensor to read exactly how fast that shaft is spinning. It uses this data to decide exactly when to shift gears and how much hydraulic pressure to apply for a smooth ride. When the code P0793 triggers, it means the computer has completely lost the signal from that sensor. It is flying blind. Without that speed data, the computer defaults to a backup mode, which usually results in high hydraulic pressure. This is why you feel those hard, jerky shifts. You might also see your RPM needle bouncing erratically, and your dashboard might light up like a Christmas tree with check engine lights, traction control warnings, and ABS lights. This issue is common on many vehicles like Mazdas, Toyotas, and Dodges. The most common cause is the sensor itself failing due to age or heat. However, do not rule out the wiring. A broken wire or a loose connector can break the circuit just as easily as a bad sensor. Another major cause is dirty transmission fluid. If your fluid is old and full of metal shavings, it can coat the magnetic tip of the sensor and block the signal. Troubleshooting this starts with the basics. Check your transmission fluid level and condition first. If it smells burnt or looks black, you need a fluid and filter change immediately. If the fluid is good, you need to locate the sensor. It is often mounted on the transmission housing, sometimes accessible from under the hood by removing the air cleaner box. Check the connector to make sure it is clicked in tight. If you can remove the sensor, clean the tip with brake cleaner to remove any sludge or metal filings. Reinstall it and see if the code clears. If cleaning does not work, you will need to use a multimeter to test the resistance of the sensor against the manufacturer's specifications. While you might be able to drive the car short distances, do not ignore this. Those hard shifts are putting massive stress on your transmission's internal clutches and gears. If a simple sensor cleaning or replacement does not fix it, take your vehicle to a reputable transmission shop right away. Replacing a sensor is cheap, but rebuilding a transmission because you ignored the warning signs is incredibly expensive.